So, we just finished the workshop with Nick, and it'll be really good to know one thing you're going to take away from this workshop, or one thing that you're going to look into further based on what you've learned today. We're going to go to Richard first. Go ahead.
I am going to show my palms in an interview.
Show the palms of your hand?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Got to look into further, better my CV and add more information and try the sentence in my CV to show that I'm more than people think about me.
I love that.
One thing I'll use is the star structure.
To answer the question?
Yeah, to answer the question or to help you for an interview.
I am going to learn more about AI and how I can use it to my advantage, get more experience, fix my CV, and practice using the STAR method.
Hi, that's one thing I'm make sure I will do, that I will check the interview question, and I'm gonna practice to answer the questions and yeah.
Learning how to adapt and practice the STAR method as well on the questions.
Thank you. Who's next?
For the CV, I want to make sure to put, the main achievements and skills at the top, and then use the STAR in interviews.
I'm gonna look for more CV templates to improve my CV.
You wanna go next?
I'll use star structure and AI to my advantage in an interview.
I'm gonna go further into the interview and use words that the boss will understand and will start during the interview.
Thank you. Deborah?
I'm going to practice writing cover letters that are concise.
Okay. Is that everyone?
Yeah.
Could we have some final words? It's like creating a podcast on the spot, right? Could we have some final words and summary reflections from Nick, please?
Yeah, so try and work out what you're going to do. That'll probably take you 25 years to do that properly, but at least try and give it a go. Try and find a job that you might want out of those sort of ideas about who you are and what you're good at and what you're not good at. Keep your job applications concise and to the point, and just understand what you're good at and what you want to get across in 10 seconds. Interviews, just be relaxed, but prep for them really hard. An interview feels really relaxed if you've prepped for it really hard. And then finally, when you start work, just put the effort in. That's about it.
And can I just ask, how did you find it today?
Yeah, I mean, it's always, I can't remember exactly what you said at the start of this, but you're always surprised at how advanced people are for their age. Yeah. Yes, there's really advanced stuff happening compared to age that I haven't really seen much of before. So, well done.
Richard's impressed. Yeah, thank you, Nick. You've given some, looking at AI and how AI will help you get your next job or your first job was something that I didn't even think about. And this is the reasons why it's really important for the Mentoring Lab and us to work with great minds and people with great careers such as Nick, because they know what's coming for the future, whereas we just work with community, but Nick's got his eyes on what's happening next, and he can see where you lot can take advantage of that and know about it now. When computers first came in, just to give you a story, I think I've spoken about it before, but when computers first came in, I was just leaving college. Yeah, I'm that old, right? And when I left college, I didn't know how to type, with two hands like this. I only knew how to use one finger, and I had to scan the keyboard to find the next letter. It took me ages. But there were some young people who, in preparation for computers coming out, and PCs coming out, had their parents and their families and their networks had put them on typing courses. So I missed out on getting like corporate jobs and or admin jobs, that would lead to more jobs, better jobs, just because I couldn't type fast. It's the real thing. So AI's come out now, and so you guys are where I was with PCs, not computers. I'm not that old. So where I was with PCs, you guys are there now with AI. Take advantage of it, because then you will be able to gain and access really good quality jobs, regardless of what field you're in. Okay? It's just history repeating itself. So cool.
Right.
If you've got any questions, Nick is here. Please just...